Hello guys, today I've got the Samsung Galaxy A37 and I'm going to show you how to set up the edge lightning for the notifications on your phone. So at first, open here the settings. Scroll down to notifications and now here tap notification pop-up style. Tap add lightning effect and as you can see here they have effect none, hard, fireworks, eclipse, echo over here, and spotlight. If you go to color, we can adjust the color of notifications. Apart from that, here we can go to advanced, set the transparency and duration of our effects. Here, as you can see, we have the lightning effect by color by keyword, and we can here enter the keywords, or now we have another option, additional actually option for this, which is in the separate application. You need to download in the Galaxy Store application called Good Luck, not Subway Surfers. Good Luck. And once you turn on this application, enter this application, you will see many things like theme park, log star, key cafe, nav star, home app. But the thing we need to set up is edge lightning. Add your own personal touch to your notifications. Tap this button here to download it, and as you can see, here we have many more applications, so you can actually set them up to your own preferences. Here tap this Edge Lightning Plus, turn it on, enable the set custom style by keyword. As you can see here, this is the same, but show by icon instead of custom style image. We can set it up, only available when the screen is turned off. Again, we can set it up or down. Double tap to open an app, prevent swipe down, show bright on when off screen. Here to set the custom style, tap this button over here, and now this is this. How are you? This is the preview, and now we can set the effect. This one. Here they have a couple of them. The same as with the color and advanced settings. Set an effect, size, period, amount, rotation. Done. And now it will look like this. And actually here, that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.